In my previous video, I presented the installation procedure for the Louvre starter unitized curtain wall panel. For reference, please refer to the attached link in this post to review the detailed Louvre panel installation process. Following the panel installation, sealant is applied to the sleeve plate, and a water ponding test is conducted to verify watertightness. The sealant application procedure for the sleeve plate was also covered in an earlier video. Upon successful completion of the water ponding test, the installation of the unitized curtain wall glass panels proceeds. In this video, I will be sharing the installation process for the corner curved panel. You may refer to this video for you to understand the step-by-step procedure for installing the corner curved panel. For those who would like to review the earlier stages, the previously shared videos are available via the link provided in this post. Thank you for your continued support.